Good morning. I am back at the old house for the final day. The carpet cleaning guy is upstairs, but I wanted to do somewhat of an empty tour of this room. I decided to leave all the curtains up. You can see this room. And I cleaned the bathroom, the tub, everything is done, spick and span. And then this is a huge bathroom. And then closet is completely empty. Isn't that crazy? And here is the living room. I'm actually leaving those logs because my new place is wood and that's ceramic. I mean, I could always take them because you never know in the future, but I'm at this point where if I don't need it right now, I'm not taking things. So that's why I've donated so much here. I mean, this living room is huge. It is way bigger than the one I have now. I vacuumed and mopped the kitchen. So here is the kitchen, all done. I cleaned the countertops. The fridge, I'm actually also leaving. I didn't want to have a second fridge. I cleaned that as best as I could and mopped, but I already said that. Here's the sink. I need to get rid of these sponges. And then over here, I vacuumed the entryway, vacuumed the office, and then the guy cleaned this carpet. Not all of them had to be cleaned. He actually just cleaned this one not too long ago, and he cleaned this one too, also not too long ago, but this one just needed it a little bit more, and he did a great job this time around on this room. And then he also did the stairs. They're wet right now, that's why pieces of it looks dark. And yeah, so then in here everything's emptied out. This hallway, this bathroom's cleaned. The only thing is that I need to get this piece of furniture out into the garage, but otherwise the craft room is empty. I'll show you the craft closet because it's crazy. Honestly, I feel like I want to have like some sort of party or a cake for all of my accomplishments for getting this place empty. It was such a feat. I don't even know if that's the right word, but it was a huge, huge undertaking. I knew too. Like even when I moved in to this place, I knew that moving out was going to be, oh my gosh, I knew it, you know? Anyway, he also did this hallway right here, which really needed it. The black room didn't need it, but I vacuumed the carpet. Dun, 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 dun. Here is the game room. I vacuumed the carpet as best as I could, but you could see where like the rug was because it like smushed the carpet down a little bit. And then, yeah, it's a little dark. Sorry about that, bad lighting. And that's that. That bathroom's been cleaned. It was actually the first thing that I cleaned. And then here's this room, which I rarely showed on camera, and only because it was just kind of a useless space. Empty closet. This actually came with the house, so I'm just leaving it. And then here's my daughter's old room. Her closet is empty. And then, yeah. What's crazy is, looking back now, this house never really felt like home. It's really not the size of a house or the beauty of a house. It is just a feeling. And this house never felt like that. It just honestly felt like I was, you know, in a temporary hotel kind of thing, and I mean, a damn nice one, right? But it just never felt like home. And I mean, in one of the smaller houses we had, it felt like home. So really, yeah. But anyway, this is the end of 3 years here. And that's it. So that is the empty house tour. And I have a friend coming by. I need his truck to load my patio furniture and like the lawnmower and things like that. But that is the end of this era. You guys, thank you for everyone who either started following me when I lived here or followed me before I lived here. I had some really good times filming videos for you guys in here. Here was a filming spot, if you remember. I've also filmed in this corner with the tree. I have filmed in the black and gold room. I have filmed in here in several spots, this corner. I filmed mostly in my bedroom. And you guys really, just sharing my passion with you guys has made me the happiest person. It really has changed me. It has made me peaceful and content. And I'm just so thankful for that. And I know I'm not on camera, but really, I've also filmed over there in the kitchen, and I've filmed DIYs on top of that. So it was some good memories. I put out some of my best content in this place, and thank you for being part of this journey. But we're gonna start a new one at my new house, and I hope to see you guys there.